Zanu-PF expels Mugabe, Mnangagwa to take his place, says report. Zimbabwe's ruling Zanu-PF party sacked President Robert Mugabe as party leader and appointed Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa in his place, reports say. Follow live updates. Zanu-PF recalling Grace Mugabe forever. Zimbabwe's ruling party Central Committee has begun recalling President Robert Mugabe as party leader and replacing him with recently fired Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The emergency meeting is also recalling First Lady Grace Mugabe as head of the Women's League forever. The motion is yet to be formalized but will be complete shortly. Robert Mugabe has been removed as president of Zimbabwe's ruling Zanu-PF party and replaced by his former vice president Emmerson Mnangagwa, a party delegate told AFP on Sunday outside a meeting in Harare. A resolution has been adopted to recall the president and elevate Mnangagwa as the party president, said the delegate, who declined to be named. Zimbabwe's ruling Zanu-PF party sacked President Robert Mugabe as party leader and appointed Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa in his place.